I'm going to be showing you one of the things I like to have all day long just because it is absolutely delicious, is homemade sweet tea. I use the Great Value gallon-size iced tea bags. They come with 24 bags, and the bags are the best tea bags I've ever used to make sweet tea. And I like that you can get them for a wonderful price as well. A pot filled with water, I like to fill it about half to 3/4 full, and 1.5 cups of sugar. Let's get started on making this sweet tea. Now that our pot of water has come to a boil, we are going to add in a gallon-sized tea bag. And we are going to let this steep for 15 to 20 minutes to give us a nice strong tea flavor that we are going to then add cold water to the rest of the pitcher to make our sweet tea. And we're going to set the timer on our oven for 20 minutes so that we can have a nice strong tea. This is what our tea looks like after it has been steeping for 20 minutes. A nice, beautiful color. And now we're going to remove the tea bag and we're going to then add it to our pitcher. Now that our tea is finished steeping, we are going to pour the steeped tea into our pitcher. And we're going to add in our 1.5 cups of white sugar. And now we're going to mix it so that all the sugar dissolves. Alright, once all the sugar has dissolved, we are going to fill the pitcher the rest of the way with cold water. And this will make up a gallon of Southern sweet tea. And now that our tea concentrate has had the rest of the water added to it to make up a gallon, we just cover it and refrigerate it and enjoy our Southern sweet tea anytime we are wanting a delicious chilled beverage.